Consider these numbers: 139 billion, 800,000, and 21. In 1 year, 139 billion US dollars are invested in medical research. This leads to some 800,000 discoveries published in scientific journals, producing only 21 new FDA-approved drugs. $139 billion, 800,000 papers, and 21 new medicines. To think that so much research funding, talent, and creativity are producing so few new medicines is, well, frankly, incomprehensible. That's why I formed the nonprofit Myelin Repair Foundation. For those of you who may not know, myelin is the protective coating that surrounds the nerves in the brain and spinal cord. Once this layer is damaged by diseases like multiple sclerosis, the central nervous system is compromised, triggering the devastating physical and cognitive impairments that come with all neurological diseases. Our goal is to shorten the time to market for myelin repair treatments for multiple sclerosis, and in doing so, revolutionize the process of all medical research. The Myelin Repair Foundation is closing the gap between the number of scientific discoveries and the number of new drugs brought to market. Because, as a nonprofit, our only incentive is to improve the quality of life for patients, not to publish, as in academia, or to increase shareholder value, as in pharma. We are in a unique position to make this happen. One huge roadblock, known as the Valley of Death, is the black hole where hundreds, if not thousands, of scientific discoveries are lost in space. They drop into this abyss because the academic scientists who make these discoveries don't have the interest, incentive, or expertise to develop them to the point where the pharma industry is willing to take the billion-dollar risk to move them forward. In order to get pharma's attention, we have to remove as much risk as possible from this billion-dollar decision. This requires replicating studies many times in different animal models and assays, demonstrating consistent findings across these studies, and finally, confirming that what has been well documented in laboratory animals can be demonstrated in human cell cultures. By funding these studies and protecting the intellectual property they produce, we can encourage pharma to move our discoveries forward and out of the Valley of Death. Enter the Myelin Repair Foundation's Translational Medicine Platform, or TMP. Developed by our experienced staff and advisors, the TMP defines the parameters of these studies, funds and manages the researchers that conduct them, and produces results that can be hand-delivered to pharma's doorstep in the most compelling and protected manner possible. Once built, this platform can be used to test any myelin repair discovery made in any lab anywhere in the world. We've come a long way in our study of myelin repair, but there is much more work to be done. The Myelin Repair Foundation is in a unique position to advance the entire field of myelin repair and its potential for treating a wide range of neurological diseases. With your help, we will make the Valley of Death a thing of the past for MS and for all diseases. My name is Scott Johnson. I have been living with multiple sclerosis since 1976.